Hi, I'm Molly with the Restored Dogwood. Have you ever seen a piece of furniture that is already painted, or maybe you painted something and you just want to give it a completely different look and you've wondered, I don't know if I can paint over something that's already has paint on it? Well, this is the video for you because I'm going to show you how I took a dresser that was previously painted and waxed and I gave it a fresh new look in my house. So stick around. So thanks for checking out our channel. Here we do how-to videos and we talk about how to upcycle furniture and give secondhand furniture a new look. And we do it all with eco-friendly products. Everything that we use is safe to be around, so you don't have to worry about crazy fumes or anything like that. So that sounds like something that you want to check out. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, that's where I'm the most active, and then you can see what we're working on. All right, let's get to this dresser project. Here's the dresser my friend picked up from Facebook Marketplace. It was previously painted, so I'm going to show you guys how to paint over something like this. It's going to involve prep work, so hang with me till the end to see all the steps. So the first step is to remove the wax, and to do this you need to use mineral spirits. I don't usually use harsh chemicals like this, but I was in a well-ventilated room and put all the protective gear on. You just put a little bit of mineral spirits in a bowl and wipe it over the surface of the furniture. After I was finished, I went back over it with a wet cloth to get all the mineral spirits off. I made sure to wait a full 24 hours before doing anything else. Finished getting the wax off, I decided to do a real quick scuff sand with my Surf Prep sander. This is the only fancy tool that I have. I bought it as a present to myself because I knew there were certain things that I wanted to accomplish with furniture, and this was the best way to do it. I know plenty of people that use regular sanders, so you don't need a Surf Prep, but I will say I absolutely love mine. After I finished sanding, I decided to go over with Dixie Belle Boss, which stands for Blocks, Odors, Stops, Bleed Through. This was kind of a last minute decision I made, and I just was a little bit worried about some of the wood tannins coming through the paint underneath. So I did a real quick coat of Dixie Belle Boss, and I did another scuff sand, maybe 220 grit, to make sure I had a really nice, smooth, uniform surface for painting. Prep work is actually step one, so on to the next step, repairs. We needed to repair the bottom of two of the drawers. The plywood was cracked and didn't fit well. I was really excited we were able to figure this out. This is the first time we've done any real woodwork. I had a piece of plywood cut for me from Home Depot. I measured really well, and you can see just how it slides right in and secured with some glue. And now it's good to go. I did the same thing with one of the smaller ones. Now the third step is the fun part, painting. I'm using Country Chic Lazy Linen, which is a beautiful gray color. Usually on the larger surfaces I use a roller brush, but this time I wanted to hand brush the whole thing. I kind of had a really stressful January and I just felt like I needed a little bit of meditation that comes with hand brushing. I put on 2 coats of the Lazy Linen. Then after painting is the final step. It's the top coat. I guess I didn't get here on video. I forgot to get a video of it. But if you look at one of my Facebook Marketplace flip video, I'll put it here in the comments. You can see how I added a little bit of paint to the Country Chic clear coat, and that just helps it make it go on really smooth. So I'm using my new Zebra Brush top coat brush. I'm using it for the drawers here, and then also on the rest of the piece. I ended up doing several coats of that, probably 2 or 3 coats. So here's a reminder of how the dresser used to look. And here it is now. I think it looks fantastic. If this hadn't been a custom job for my friend, I would have been tempted to keep this piece myself. I love it so much. I hope you love it as well. I hope my friend loves it too. And I hope I've inspired you to take a look around, find something to paint, and make fabulous. Make it your own. Don't be scared of painting over something. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Love ya.